Ask me anything on Snapchat questions how to use. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can use the Ask Me Anything on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to basically use the Ask Me Anything on Snapchat, all you have to do is go and first of all make sure to launch the Snapchat app here. Once you launch your Snapchat app, you just want to make sure to scroll all the way to the right hand side of the screen here until you come to the Explore tab in this case. Then once you come to the Explore tab over here, as you can see, tap on the Explore button. In the search box, just type in Ask Me Anything filter, right? So type in Ask Me Anything by Ravi Rao. So just go ahead and type in RAVI as well. As you do that, you should be able to see this one over here, which is Ask Him Anything by Ravi Rao, right? Make sure to select this filter. And now you can simply go ahead and select a snap, a question, and once you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and set the ads and Ask Me Anything on Snapchat. This way you'll be able to use the Ask Me Anything on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.